Afternoon, big guy. You know why I'm here?
I'm just chilling, officer. Ain't hurting nobody.
Those eyes say otherwise. Smell like a whole dispensary out here.
Maybe a little baked. Nothing serious.
Well, you're coming with me. We'll talk about it downtown.
All right. Just don't scuff.
Afternoon, big guy. You know why I'm here?
Just vibing, officer, nothing heavy.
You reek of smoke and you know it.
Then I should probably bounce.
Hey, wait!
Catch me if you can, badge boy.
MELO to dispatch. Suspect fleeing east on Fulton.
Man, I'm starving. Munchies hit like a freight train, bro. Let's hit that drive-thru before I eat my badge. Double cheese, large fry, maybe 2.
Welcome to Burger Shack. What can I get for you?
Yeah, 2 double cheeseburgers, 1 large fry, vanilla shake.
The quiet night?
Not for long.
Let's find the wanderer.
Scanning
East Street.
Copy that.
There, by the dumpster.
Scan
I see him.
is
Easy, buddy. You're safe now.
Smells hungry.
We'll get you some food at the shelter.
Evening, officer.
Hey, ma'am, you okay?
That's all, folks.